What would you sacrifice for freedom? And what about for love? Today, as we honor those who gave their lives for our country, we reflect on a deeper truth that the greatest freedom and love come from the ultimate sacrifice. This Memorial Day, we pay tribute to our fallen heroes, but we also draw strength from a sacrifice that changed everything. Join me as we reflect on freedom, love, and the hope we find in John 3:16. Memorial Day is a powerful reminder of the sacrifices made by countless men and women, especially those in uniform. They gave everything for the freedoms we cherish today. But as we gather to honor them, we're also reminded of another sacrifice, one that offers freedom not just for this life, but for eternity. John 3:16 tells us, "For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whosoever believes in him shall not perish, but have everlasting life." The sacrifice of the brave men and women we honor today were acts of extraordinary love and courage. They remind us that freedom isn't free. Similarly, Jesus' sacrifice on the cross was the ultimate act of love, offering a gift far greater than we could ever imagine, and that is the eternal salvation. Our fallen heroes gave their lives for something bigger than themselves, for their loved ones and the future generations they would never meet. And in the same way, Jesus gave his life for all of humanity, so we might know true freedom, love, and hope that lasts forever. This Memorial Day isn't just a day of remembrance. It's a call to action. Both the lives of our heroes and the life of Christ challenge us to ask, what are we doing with the freedom we've been given? Are we living with gratitude? Are we loving with purpose? Salvation is a gift freely given to us. It's also an invitation to live differently, to honor both our Savior and those who sacrificed for our earthly freedoms. John 5:13 reminds us of this profound truth. Greater love has no one than this, that someone lay down his life for his friends. This is the heart of sacrifice, whether we see it on the battlefield or on the cross. It calls us to live lives that reflect gratitude for the freedom and love that have been given to us. Today, as we pay tribute to those who fought for our earthly freedoms, remember that there is a greater freedom offered to every one of us. Jesus' sacrifice ensures that no matter where you find yourself, you can experience true eternal freedom through him. Memorial Day reminds us of the cost of earthly liberty. And John 3:16 reminds us of the price of our spiritual redemption. Both sacrifices beckon us to live with gratitude, courage, and a purpose. Take this day to honor the memory of the fallen and to thank God for the incredible gift of salvation. Live each moment with intention, and may the freedom and love we celebrate today inspire us to create a better tomorrow. God bless you, and God bless those we remember today. Thank you, and take blessings.